Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have our talent, Jaymee, that poodle. There, show your face, Jaymee. Hello guys. Is that your voice, Jaymee? Yes. Okay guys, we're going to discuss about the 8-in-1 shots for dogs. What is it composed of? The first one is this distemper component. That's the distemper component. You want to say something about the distemper component, Jaymee? Yes, boss. Well, let's see, huh? It says here that let's read it. It's a core vaccine. Pagka sinabing core, it means it's mandatory. Mandatory, Jaymee. You had it already last week, November 13 or November 12, Jaymee. And then it's highly contagious and deadly. Wow, deadly. And then it affects the respiratory, urogenital, gastrointestinal, and nervous system. So it affects your lung system, lungs, dyan. And then yung pang-ihi mo, urogenital. Even your stomach, Jaymee, gastrointestinal, and your nervous system. Okay? That's for everybody's consumption, guys. Then what's next? Oops, sorry for the second component is the what you call the CAV1 or adenovirus component. And there are two types, Jaymee. The CAV1 and the CAV2. The CAV1, it infects the major organs, which leads to hepatitis. While the 2, it affects the respiratory disease. It leads to respiratory disease, I mean. The CAV2 covers 2 components in the 8-in-1 shot. Yan, kaya nga, it kills 2 birds in 1 stone, Jaymee. Are you feeling alright, Jaymee? Yes, boss. I had this 8-in-1 shot. They're protected from the CAV1, Jaymee. Good, boss. Wow. Then, Jaymee, what's next? Is the parvo component. Yeah, this one is more popular. You have heard about this, Jaymee? It's serious and deadly enteric disease. Meaning, ano ibig sabihin ng enteric? And spreads by direct or indirect contact with feces. Yan. So you don't touch the poo of your fellow dogs. Okay. And where do you get this, Jaymee? From parks, from vet offices, stores, and kennels. So you should avoid those, Jaymee. Its abbreviation is CPV2. Which stands for canine parvovirus type 2. So that's Mr. Parvo, Jaymee. I hope you don't smell the poo of your fellow dogs, okay? In the parks. Thank you, boss, for telling me. Okay, Jaymee, let's proceed to the next. That's the para-influenza component. It's non-core, meaning it is now optional before it's mandatory. And the abbreviation is CPIV, canine para-influenza virus. So this is the one that, makes you cough, Jaymee. Even dogs cough. How do you cough, Jaymee? Do you cough like that? Yes, boys. Sometimes I cough. Oh, good, Jaymee. Wait. Let's proceed to the next, Jaymee. The one is popular every time there is a typhoon. They say about this, Jaymee. It's called Leptospirosis. It's often recommended for dogs living in rural areas. Oh, good, we're not in the rural area, boss. It's transmitted by the urine of an infected animal, and the common hosts are rats, mice, and moles. Well, we know about rats, mice, and moles. What are moles, Jimmy? I don't know, boss. Maybe a spy. It's a mole. A dog would need to lick the urine of an infected host to get the disease. Avoid leaking for now, Jamie, huh? Okay? You hear that in the news. It's leptospirosis component. And this one is named after Justice Corona. Mama, Sharona. No, it's Corona, Jamie. It stands for CCV, stands for canine coronavirus. It's highly contagious intestinal disease. It's usually good. You're already 1 year old, Jamie, and you should be immune from this already. Oh, what a relief, boss. Good, Jamie. Oops, that's it for now, guys. And Jamie is our talent for today. And Jamie, can you say thank you? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Please like, watch, and subscribe. Thank you. Love you all.